Goko ne kwa Kikuyu podcast maundu makoria Mbeere North constituency ni mathie na mbere magirite. The end of UDA, United Opposition, hikitu washachukua. As we speak, Jubilee Party kugerera Deputy Organizing Secretary Pauline Njoroge ni marekereria ndumiriri, na Pauline Njoroge arauga ati kuria thiini wa Mbeere North constituency gutire candidate Uhuru ta munene wa Jubilee, gutire candidate arugamitie na matire na aspirant onao, ati gutire mundu manegerete maratathi makurugama giti kia Mbeere North constituency. Makauga o memwena wa United Opposition na me thutha wa Newton Karish. Tomake memwena wa United Opposition, that means memwena wa United Opposition kuwa memwena wa Newton Karish. Haha Joe Muthede uteke ndo akona roshine tene. In fact vote difference egako in nene muno UDA ne komethika rutokwambia komethika thiini wa Mount Kenya region. O niguo Pauline Njoroge augite, na information ino ni information njega mwenene wa United Opposition. Adu aria memwena wa regime ino abagogo jiria aria mogane ya Jubilee asabine chege, they were not expecting this. Oneguo Pauline Njoroge, Deputy Organizing Secretary wa Jubilee augite o, as the Deputy Organizing Secretary of Jubilee Party, I wish to set the record straight. The National Executive Council, NEC, which is chaired by His Excellency Uhuru Kunyita, has not issued nomination papers to any aspirant for the Mbeere North Parliamentary by-election. Jubilee Party will not be fielding candidate in this race. Jubilee Party gutire candidate megwikira kuria. Instead, we will stand firmly behind the joint opposition candidate. Okay? Take this to the bank and treat all other claims as pure heresy. Augeteo, Jubilee Party matigwikira candidate kuria thiini wa Mbeere North constituency. Akauga instead ne Kunyita Mbaru candidate uria uranyitwo Mbaru ni United Opposition, koguo maranyita Mbaru Newton Karish. Now nidashiria uhoro wa poster area irakoiwo igitrend muthenya wa ira, and by the way I talked about that poster. Poster yo ironanagia mundu wa Jubilee ira ina bisha Uhuru na bisha Matiang'i. Ino nyamo irokaga guthukiria Matiang'i onekane tari traitor thiini wa United Opposition, igetha gukorwo na njetukano thiini wa United Opposition, because rumors have it mweri wa 2026 Uhuru Kenyatta niaka hand over kiama kia Jubilee kwe Fred Matiang'i. Okay, but Jubilee has set it clear ati matigwikira candidate kwe mwena wa Mbeere North constituency. Now, unity ya opposition niratuma regime ino ejirie uguaya muno. O United Opposition mabiriria muthako wao. You see, they were not expecting it. Gikeno kia regime ino na makoto makira muno regatha wa Gachagua na United Opposition marendaga icia iria ciothe cirehete ni United Opposition, that is DCP, DP ya JB Muturi, Jubilee na ciama iria ingi, all the field candidate kuria Mbeere North constituency. Nini ate kugira thiri all the magathi ya campaign kuria Mbeere North. Mamira niki maika campaign icio mabie kuhurana, mabie kurumana, and of course magira rugamiria candidate all the all kuria icio ni kugayana magiraganire United Opposition. Then Muthede ni kuhuthiire ni angigapenya thuru. But as we speak, unity ya United Opposition uria maronania mena urumwe magetikira amwe makaiga kiburi thi makauga candidate yo ni ena igweta kuria like to support one wake magiki. That's what uducio adu United adu alijumuno, they were not expecting it, and that's the way to go forward. Na meda koshida mundu ogwetwo must go mwaka wa 2027 unity no niyo tukwenda tumione ngina mwaka wa 2027. Of course ni maugite ni makarugamia candidate omwe uria ugashidana na Ruto. The unity is very very important. Oho ni mafatie mabie guthiuguka matura aikoni Eugene Wamalwa tukwenda kumwona kure Western, agikoni kana tukwenda kumwona kure Ikabaini. Matini ena kaida kaito muno muthenya wa ira nitoni governor Simba Arati wa kuria Githii athiete na Raila Amolo Odinga kuria thingira wa ireki. Hingo yo Simba Arati atwarite grassroots leaders akuria mwena wa Githii iria ikoretwo a backyard ya Raila Amolo Odinga. Raila ni hetwo mandate mena Simba Arati kura cia Githii 1 something million mashihe mwena wa Ruto, but now ado Githii mauga ni one term. Question is very important ile fainali ya Ruto, but now they are saying it's one term. Magayati Kalonzo akaremwo, but now ugo Jubilee mauga matigo field candidate ucio ni ndu mwega muno thiini wa unity opposition, ni ndu wa unity yao, na unity no ni tukwenda kumena ngina mwisho. And of course ni tukenda kuona hingo na magathi kure candidate uria karugama the president. Ni tukenda kuona the unity muno gutikana korwo na haro. Of course no ngina mundu efange, kila mundu efange na kiama giake. Thirikari no ngina magacena na MOU uria agatuika president deputy, no ngina othe magacena na MOU matigekore haria mundu tigacagu ekorire guthie atari na kiama manacena na MOU uria gathurwo uria magakorwo maugite, because the most important thing igako MOU iria magacainanira iyo niyo igako very important. Mafidi candidate omwe maure campaign wega macainane MOU uria maugite mundu fulani ite fulani na fulani na fulani mundu ucio ungi uguo. That MOU will be very very important. O kila mundu appropriate kiama giake uria ekota, but lengo ni moja, the unity. The unity is very very important. Matigatikira ko divide ni must go ni ava kakadi ciake trike muno muthendo muranga mama kuo grassroots leaders makayo bia kwayo bia ni kwagora andu meciria wayo 10,000 meciria ati uyu ni mundu mwega. This was going on, mundu akayo 10,000 akambia kuwa mundu no must go 10,000 cio gwikira atia for real. It's about our future. It's about the future of this country. We need leaders ame gutofuri na mbere. Thawefu ni yogire muthomi yes gukira tongoria riangi no buri utwarite atia akiko ugwa rauga nigu buri tu wagirwo kuona uthiete na mbere. It's not about guthoma, it's about gutwarithia buri uyu wa Kenya na mbere. Wale woikarite hongela Jubilee guys, it is what it is. Kwani iko nini? Thank you gama tina mathime ugo ni woikarite. Thank you so much guys.